Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here, and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own custom topographic background in Adobe Photoshop. First thing you want to do is start on a new canvas. You're going to want to make sure that both your colors are the default colors of white and black. Your layout might be a little different than mine, but just make sure that white and black are the only two colors on your swatches here. And then it's going to be a locked background. You're going to want to click on the little lock to the right of it. So like normally yours will be like this and it'll say background. Just click on the lock, it'll unlock it. Make sure it's black. And then you're going to want to click on filter, render, clouds, and then it'll look something like this, right? And you can continuously press clouds until you get a different pattern and stuff like that. And then next you're going to want to go to blur, Gaussian blur, and you want to pick a number from 15 to 25. I get the best results going with 20. You're going to want to click 20. Now what you're going to want to do is you want to go to the adjustments layer, either below your layers or on the right where you'll see it a little bigger over here. And then you want to click on posterize, right? So posterize does this effect. It looks a little wonky. Just bear with me for a second. So you're going to want to click on the levels and type in either 15 or you can go 20 and you'll get a similar effect also. Just don't go too high because the effect will really just get drowned out and you won't get the final outcome that you're really looking for. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is to click on both of these layers, holding down control. So you're going to hold control and click on posterize and layer 0, or in your case background. You're going to want to press Control E. Once you merge the two together, you're going to go back to filter. You want to go to stylize, right? It's right underneath sharpen on the filter section. You want to click on find edges. And as you can see right here, you have the topographic background. But you can make tons of different variations and patterns, because if you keep scrambling the clouds, but when you start off, it'll move the positioning in different spots. So your patterns will all be different, and then you can do other cool stuff with it. Use it for whatever background necessary, and you can flip the colors around. You can change the colors of your swatches, and it'll be those colors. Quick heads up, I know at first I didn't know that it could do that, but after trying it out a bunch of times, I just like the way that the white and black one looks, or the black and white one looks. So you can do it with whatever colors. And then obviously if you want to use it on a certain canvas, you just got to do it on that canvas, or you could just drag it from a bigger canvas onto a smaller canvas and get a similar effect. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I know it was a very quick one, but you know, another cool, short, simple tutorial to help you spice up the background of your graphics. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys learned something new, and yeah, talk to you guys later. See ya.